For today's routine, we're going to be laying on our back. We're going to have our heels glued to the floor, and we're going to focus on pelvic tilts. So from here, you push your belly button into the ground, and you want to make sure you flatten your lower back. And we're doing repetitions. So naturally, you should have a small arch in your back in this position, and the goal is to press your belly button down, flatten your back, and release. This helps loosen up the lower back. Now we're going to squeeze our knee to chest. Very good. And we're going to switch sides, squeeze the knee to chest. Very nice. This one I'm going to add an overhead reach and then reach forward and squeeze. Going to overhead reach, and we're going to go to the opposite side, squeeze the knee towards the chest. Very good. We're going to cross over, and we're going to gently assist the leg in falling over to the side. Make sure you turn your head the opposite direction. Very nice. Bring it back to center. We're going to do another repetition. Slowly dropping down. A little bit of assistance. Push the knee down towards the floor and bring it back in. We're going to grab behind the hamstring, and we're going to try to do a figure 4 stretch, which is basically just pulling your knee in. This you should feel in your glute. Very good. And squeeze. Very good. Drop the foot down. We're going to switch sides. Cross the other leg over. Make sure you look away from the direction where your knee is falling. Very good. The arm extended in the opposite direction. Make sure your back stays flat as you rotate. Very nice. Bring it back in. And one more repetition. Dropping it down. A little bit of assistance with your hand and bring it back forward. We're going to go into that figure 4 stretch, squeezing the knee towards your chest. You should feel this in your glute. Very good. And one more time, pulling in, squeeze, and release. Very good. Both feet down. From this one, we're going to do a double knee hug. We're going to squeeze the knee to chest and gently rock side to side. Very good. Side to side. Nice gentle rocking. Very good. And we're going to release. Cross one leg over. We're going to do some hip openers. Just driving the knee out and pushing down. And we're doing repetitions to kind of help open up that hip. Very good. Press down and bring it back in. And strong push down, opening up those hips. We're going to drop the arm, and we're going to let the knee tap the floor. And we're going to do a few repetitions in this direction to help open up that lower back. Very good. Make sure you're looking the opposite direction of where your knee is going. Very good. And the arms are fully out in the T position for leverage to keep that back flat. Let's switch sides. Going into the hip openers, pressing the knee away from the body, and bring it back in, and press away. Bring it in and press. We're going opening up the hips, bring it in and press. Very good. Make sure your arms are out like a T, and we're going to rock that knee to the side. The arms out extended. Make sure the back stays nice and flat as we drive the knee to the ground. And one more repetition. Very good. Hold. And bring it back to center. And release. Very good. From this one, we're going to grab behind the hamstrings. Now this is a modifier for Happy Baby. If you are able to grab your feet, we are going to go into Happy Baby. If not, you're going to stay in that first position of just simply holding your hamstrings and bringing your knees in. We're working on gentle rocks side to side. Very good. And as you're doing this, you want to make sure you're driving your knees towards the outside of your armpits. Release the hold, get a good knee hug, and drop the legs down. And one more time in the Happy Baby. Again, the modifier for Happy Baby is you just hold on to the back of your hamstrings, but the goal is to squeeze those knees towards the outside of your armpits, and we're gentle rocking for the last few seconds of today's video. Very good. In 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Slowly lower, and we're all done for today.